Let's get fucking really concentrated. Let's make sure that we're disciplined. Let's make sure we're together. Let's make sure that we've got the fucking belief and the confidence in each other. Look around the fucking circle. At the start of the season, the circle was fucking big. Look how fucking tight it is now. That's how we're going to have to be outside. I asked for 10-15% more. 10-15% more, and that's fucking easy for you guys because you've got it in your fucking bodies. Be fucking tough mentally. Go out there and play. Go out there and enjoy it. Take the fucking ball, help each other, support each other, and run your well.
Back to Moreno. Ryan Ferra to defend. Moreno still on it. Moreno into the middle. Oh, it's an early one! It only took 2 minutes for the Timbers to open the scoring. Arango across. Araujo. Gomez back on it. Pantemis getting the touch to keep it scoreless.
We've got to keep that energy up, we've got to keep that intensity up, and when we win the ball, we ruthless in the final third.
Juan Mosquera. Rodriguez on goal, McMath. He was late to it, and Mora across. Still there maybe for Portland. Evander and Moreno!
En un ratito, Anthony que acelera y va. Anthony escapó, Ivander la pide, Ivander recibe. ¡Gol! ¡Gol de Timbers! Apareció el 11º gol de Ivander en la campaña para dar el golpe de knockout a Ivander Holyfield. Portland Timbers gana 3-0 frente a Real Salt Lake.
Super proud, the effort, the togetherness, the spirit from all of you. You trusted yourself, you trusted the game plan, you trusted each other. The football was absolutely incredible, okay? But that is just our level. That is just our level that we need to keep going. We maintain our feet on the ground. We've not achieved anything yet, but we're definitely heading in the right direction.